Today I am checking out this 30-piece mechanical pencil set by Stageek. Let me go ahead and show you everything that comes in this pack and then also give you a quality test between the lead and also erasers. So here's that closer look at the mechanical set, and the first thing you'll notice is just this really nice high quality leather pouch. And once opened, you'll notice you just have this great organization of your 30-piece mechanical set. On the right side, you have your 6 different pencils, and they also have different sizes, ranging from 0.5 millimeter, 0.7, 0.9, and then 3 2mm pencils. Then you have these 2 eraser refills for the tops of the pencils. You'll then notice the 2mm size 36-piece colored lead. Next to it, you get 2 sharpeners for the colored lead or 2mm graphite. You'll then notice you have your blending eraser and also 2 different erasers, and also a ton of lead. Let me go ahead and lay it out just so you can see everything that you receive. So this right here is all of the lead that you get. You get 2.5mm lead carriers, then you get 2.7mm, 2.9mm, and then 9 2mm lead containers. So let me go ahead and get this packed up and then show you some quick writing tests and sketch tests in my sketchbook. All right, so first off, this is the 0.5mm, and let me go ahead and just write with it. Writes pretty smooth. Now let me go ahead and check out the 0.7. All right, now we will check out the 0.9. And finally, we will check out the chunky 2mm lead. So overall, right off the bat, these pencils feel super high quality and they have a good weight to them, but they're also not too heavy to where I don't feel like my hand is going to be getting tired with these anytime soon. So, and then this is what the eraser also looks like at the top of the pencil, which also can be replaced once it gets too low. So let me go ahead and just try an eraser test with these. And it actually does a pretty good job. All right, and just to see how well the colored pencil is, I've got a green color loaded in the 2mm pencil, and I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little bit of like a gradient test where I go light, and then a little bit medium, and then now I have some really firm pressure down. It actually looks really good. The control is really nice, and it's doing exactly what I'm wanting it to do. And also too, just to do a little bit of a writing test. It writes pretty well too. It kind of just feels like you're writing with a normal colored pencil. So I think what surprised me the most with this kit is the 4B erasers. They lift graphite cleanly without smudging everything around it. Let me go ahead and just do a quick test with these marks that I made up here. So with some of the marks that I went really hard with the pencil, it still kind of has a hard time with it, but everything else comes up really easily. But I mean, I really pressed down on this and there is no eraser that's gonna be able to pick that up. So in +2, you also have your needed eraser for your sketches for when you're going on to those next steps of going over your whole artwork. And then you also get a ton of refills for the tops of your mechanical pencils. And I think my favorite part about this set is just how neat everything can be laid out in this case, and it's just super compact. Just to give you some quick measurements, this case size is about 5.5 inches in width by 7.5 inches in height. So again, very compact and about the same size as your normal A5 notebook. So overall, this set works great with a lot of different workflows, whether it's sketching, drafting, or just writing on paper. Between all of the different lead options and also the durability with these mechanical pencils, I can highly recommend this set to be great for your day-to-day use. And overall, it's just a set that I would highly recommend to you, whether it's for yourself or if you're gifting it to an artist or someone who just loves mechanical pencils.